Here we are on a cold, misty, damp winter's morning. This is the building trade. Very misty today. Just see it. Now getting the boots a bit warmed up. See them? Yeah. Get them on. Getting the water butt filled. You can't hardly see it, but we're filling the water butt. Let me get ready for some action. Bit of concrete today. Getting top on the old oversite. Get the first one in there, and then we'll get it whacked down. Try and get some concrete in. We'll put this little wall through the middle. We don't need to, but we've done it to tamp off. That's 6 metres wide. So we've got that. So we'll brook it in half. That'll be a nice tamp then. Right, we've done a bit of whacking, so now you can't get in the corners there, so we've got to use this punny, a really heavy bit of steel. So we'll literally go around all the edges. Okay, so to explain what we're doing now, we'll set this line up across. When I put the type 1 in, but we'll put it a little higher than we need. We eventually end up with a thickness of this brick under that line to the top of the type 1, but we've got to allow for a little bit of compression, let it to whack down a bit, so we'll go a little bit higher, then we'll give it a whack and see where we are. Right, so what we've got, when we've got a piece in here, we'll move the line like that, and we go this side. Put that there. Try a little bit of brick. Yeah, that'll whack down. But so much whack, that'll be level. That'll be lovely. So now we'll move the line across there. We'll now gradually come on, work our way back. Nearly there. Got another ton to go in on that side and be ready for some whacker action. Big Niall is back on the tools, giving it some large. How you doing, Niall? All good?
All good.
Yep. Right, we've got that half done, so we'll look at doing the next one soon. Okay, we're ready. We've got all the type 1 in. We've got the first lot of plastic in, or DPC membrane, and we're now got to start get this first section concrete. Old sky's looking good.
Joined by myself.
Yeah, got the big G.
And Big Niall.
We've got a guest appearance of Niall.
Ready to go.
service pipe that is. Full cables and that in there. Water, whatever we need. Do that so we don't puncture the polythene when we tip the bar up. Another one in there, into the temple. Now we'll have a temple here, see what we get anything. So now we can see we're starting to take shape. Who's that in the background over there? Is that old dog Noel? G's brought the teas out, look. That's Big G's cup there, Mr. Perfect.
That's Niles today.
Oh, that's Noel.
That's mine.
That's Noel.
Yeah.
Cheers, Noel.
Yeah, come on, you know.
That's the old man's cup there. Do check that on the brick for. I'll get rid of this right. Taking shape. Quick tea break and away we go. Big Noel. Big Noel here. He's our main mixer man.
He's in the way of the bloody mixer there. Hello. Stop recording it, get out.
So now we're 2/3 of the way. Taking shape. Awesome. Just sit all really take shape. Again from about here.
Yep, right.
Yep. So if you're watching this at home, you've got to temp, you've got to lift at the same time together.
You've got to be like synchronised swimmers.
Yeah. Not that I've done a lot of synchronised swim, but should we put that Dave up there? Nearly getting there. Last surfing loads in there. Great. Right in that corner. Now we got stuff like that. We'll have a little scrape. Right, we'll have a little tamp. Cool, good, good. Nearly the last. Tamp it back. Right, leave it like that. Like that.
I'll tell you what, that be enough?
Might be.
Might want a little more.
Yeah. Splashed everywhere.
Probably want like a tiny bit more, don't we?
Yeah, we've got one bit. We'll just put it in the cab, it won't go. Right, should we temp that in? Oh, we just price that's nearly there.
Almost.
Right, just get it back there.
What's that there, mate?
Ah, what have you done, you wurzel? Look at that.
There's a bloody hole here, mate.
Oh.
You can't have that.
Go away, go on. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, lift it out. That's it. Brilliant. There we have it. One slab done. Now wash all the kit up. That's a good Saturday, that. That looked awesome, that do. The team have done really well today. Apart from that nugget, we've done that. Oh yeah, I can't do nothing about that. Sweet. Many thanks for watching. We really appreciate you taking the time to give us a good look. And if you get a chance, we've got one we've done. We had a boys' day out at Muckleborough collection. Have a look at that. That's worth a look. Cheers.